The 10th participant in the Silva challenge is Kelly over at Rusty's Customs. A lot of you may not know this, but before I had the YouTube channel, I posted pictures on Instagram for a little while of the customs I was doing. One of the first friends I made on Instagram was Kelly. And we've kept in touch over the years, and he's been a really good friend. And one thing I know about Kelly is he likes his breeze blocks, or cinder blocks. So I'm going to start this off. And these things are a pain in the butt for me to peel off these bases with my hands. I don't know if you can see them on here. Yeah, there you go. But I'll let him do that. I'll just send him a bunch of these. So hopefully I'm not shooting myself in the foot here by putting these down on the base. And I may end up just having to repack this whole thing, but we'll see how it goes. Let me get some of these down here, and then I can always add some more to the top. Now for the cars. Let's see. Let's start with this one. Yeah. Let's see. Let me scoot this back a little bit. I've got fire engines in this thing, helicopters, all kinds of fire engines, train cars. Let's throw this old-fashioned kind of fire truck in there. Just in case you're curious, that's high speed. Made in China. Okay. Can't say I've heard of them. Let's throw a train car in there to go with it. There's some cool stuff in here. That was made for Chevron. There's locomotive and stuff, but I think I've already hit them with enough fire truck and train stuff out of that tub. Let's get back to more traditional kind of stuff. Yeesh. A Hot Wheels Fandango. Yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah, that would have been my guess for a name for that thing. Oh, that's kind of cool. Yeah, that's kind of cool. What's that? A Matchbox Frost Fighter. Yeah, that would make a good science fiction, futuristic kind of build. Always love these. I think that's the Mantis. It doesn't say on the bottom, but that thing's been around in a number of years in various incarnations. I think we've all seen it. Hey, you've heard me talk about all the forklifts. I always put a forklift, or I seem to always run into a forklift on these. So let's throw another forklift in there. They always seem to work out. That's cute. What's that? Catapult. Yeah, that's a tiny little. That's all metal too. That's an all metal casting. That's pretty cool. I think you could do something with that. What else do we have here, Kelly? Yeah. That can go in a future one. When I'm desperate for things to go. That one's too much like the other one. Oh, there you go. That's cool. Chrysler 300B. Team Caliber. Made in China. Yeah, it's not bad looking. Yeah, I think you can figure out something for that. Whoa, another. A Lomas ambulance. That's an old Lesney Matchbox. Obviously no back doors. That's just psychedelic enough for you, Kelly. I gotta send that to you. That has your name all over it. Is that a Diora? A Diora 2. Yeah, that has a futuristic look to it. I think we're doing okay here. Let's see what we have in this one. I customized one of these a while back. You may remember that. I made it for one of the invitationals. Time Riders, as I recall, tow truck build. That video did really well. that build was a popular one. What's that? Rip rod. Hey, you can't beat a rip rod. I think I got a spot for it there. That's something Star Wars-ish. Yeah, you could even mount that on top of something. That's a good spot for it. Can't go wrong with Batmobile. Okay, so you can. Trying to squeeze as much in here as I can. That's just a Camaro, yeah, just a Camaro Z28 in a putrid color. I'd love to see you do something cool with that. What is that one? That's Scream Hauler, I believe is what that says. That's really kind of neat. Let's see. We're still, I think we're good casting wise there. So let me throw some 3D stuff in here. Here's some engines. I don't know that that one's going to survive. The pipes probably won't, but since that's resin and so is that one, so Lord knows. Throw in some tanks and wheels and guns. How about armor plate panels? Yeah, wheel stuff and cargo boxes. More metal plates. I really like these front ram bull bar, well, just kind of a ram kind of thing for the front. Those are pretty cool. More guns and more guns. Something tells me I might be able to use them. Love the barrels. Can't beat the barrels. Barrels worked out really well on that Gaslands build I did with for the meat wagon. Sick as that was. I don't know. I'm thinking that's it, Kelly. I think I put more breeze box in here. And had some, I already peeled off the plate there. Yeah. I'm thinking that's it. Thinking this is what's coming to you, Kelly. So, everybody, keep an eye out for the build. Good luck with this, Kelly. Hang on. Nah, that'll never fit. I don't know why. I suddenly saw, how about a flatbed from a train? There you go. You can throw something on there. I think that's it. Can't wait to see what you do with it. Good luck.